Hey guys, Chad here. I wanted to take a moment and talk through the landing page and the elements behind it, the technology behind it, and why it's been so successful working with a direct mail piece. So I'm just going to walk through this really quick. When the homeowner gets the direct mail piece, they're directed to this landing page here, which matches up with the direct mail piece so that they know that they're at the right spot. Then the next step for them to do is to watch this video to reveal the winning numbers. And the video obviously is carefully crafted to persuade them to get to the event with the possibility of winning one of these prizes. At the end of the event, they have to, by the way, they have to watch the video all the way through. They can stop it, but they can't fast forward to skip to the end, so they have to watch it, which is designed that way to get them to digest the entire video, which is very well done. So I've actually played the video so we don't have to do that, and I'm going to go to the next one and show you what happens at the very end. The very end of this video, this is why it's working so well, is that they have the opportunity to work for opt in to share the video on their wall to be entered into a $500 gift card. What happens here, this is the magic behind this, is that it stretches the reach of the ad piece, because now when they share this, by simply sharing it, we capture their information, enter them in a drawing, it'll go on their Facebook wall, and we know that probably the majority of their friends and family are within driving distance from the event as well. So it shows up on their wall. And we've been experimenting with what actually shows up on their wall, which video, which message that is more persuasive. But it shows up on their wall, and that's like them giving credibility. It's social credibility. They're saying that they like this event, and in turn their family and friends, which are within distance, probably most of which are in distance from the event, will be persuaded to click on it because if their family member has already approved it. This is really powerful. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to explain a few more elements to this, which, here we go here. So on the side here, what's nice about this is that we have been integrating the dealership's credit application right into the page here. So this is a great way to capture detailed information, get a credit approval right on this page, which is powerful. These videos right here are broke up into our demographics, so we know we've got people that are bad credit, zero down, $90 a month payments, so they want low payments, or trade-ins. And these videos, when they play these videos, I'm not going to because I didn't load it up in time, but when they play these videos, at the very end is another button that's integrated into the video, which is the same thing. Get approved online in 3 minutes. They'll have that ability after they watch that video to hit that button and get that opened up. When I go down here, what's nice about this page is it's got a geolocator script running on it, so that no matter where they're at, it'll give them quick directions to the event. Now, obviously, I'm a long ways away from this event, but the majority of people will be within driving distance of this event, and it'll give them directions. They can email them. If they email them, they'll put their name in there. They'll submit it, and that's also a great way for us to do some back-end marketing to the dealerships, which has been working well. So, or they can open up in Google Maps. I'm not going to click that, but it opens up to another page. We've got this live stream to the event, which is nice, a very nice feature. And if I scroll down here to the bottom, we've got, and we're experimenting with this. Keep in mind that this is phase 1. Phase 1 is already crushing it. Phase 2 is going to take this thing like a rocket to the next level. So we're working on phase 2 behind the scene right now, but this one's already so successful. When I look at this down here, we've got the ability to load in the dealership's inventory, and when they click on one of those that might be of interest to them, it stays on the page, and yet we've got to view more detail. So if I click on that, it'll actually take me directly to that particular car on the dealership site. And this one is obviously sold, but you can see how that would work. And that's building some back-end traffic to the site, which is nice. Then they can see all the inventory, or they can click here to see all used car inventory. We've got the staff loaded up here, which is a personal touch, and they can see the entire staff. And then once again, apply, get approved online in 3 minutes. They can apply, and that'll open up into a light box, which will show that. Now, here's the coolest part of this. This is built in what's called responsive design. So responsive design is very important to the success of this of this landing page, because we know that in 2014, late 2013 and early 2014, mobile will take over desktop in searches, so that people need to be able to view this on every type of form of screen resolution. We've got iPads, we've got iPhones, we've got Androids, we've got tablets of all sizes, iPad minis. Watch what happens here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but as I pull in this page, let's see here. As I pull in the page, you're going to see all the elements start to shift. And they're going to shift to optimize to whatever screen resolution that they're coming in on. See how that works? Now, if you try this on most sites, it won't work that way. But this one, it does. We've built it in responsive design, 100% mobile friendly, and will interact with any sort of device that this is coming in on. This is why this is working so well. It's because the technology behind it and the message behind it is so on target. So let me know if you have any more questions, and look forward to phase 2 on this.